hello guys so I am in fields. So the field you are seeing behind me is the pea field, and I'm showing you the inside pulses of pea shell. The shell is open and you can see the pea inside of this shell. Okay, so we can eat this rough, uncooked. We can eat this uncooked, just like this. It's very tasty. So this area is Gilgit Baltistan district Shigar, and the village name is Tisar. So see the fields, the mountains, river. Over there you can see the river and the trees. These are fields of Tisar town.